Back with another one, my friends. Got a little copper goodness going on. Trying to break this bad boy down and get all the goodness out of there. Still got this one. I have to get out that compressor. Try to get that out of there. And we picked up another bad boy. So we got some copper goodness going on. A little aluminum goodness from those TVs. And man, would you look at this one? All aluminum. Just gotta keep stripping this metal off, but all that's aluminum. Got some tin going on. And I got a lot more wire than this. This is small stuff, probably what do they call it? 20% or 30%. But that's what I'm up to. See you guys in the next one. Adios amigos. Keep the most out first, and I'm out.